Hi, welcome to our video about Chapter 5, Eating Well, presented to you by Rachel Furman and Annika During. In order to have a balanced diet, you need to ensure you eat enough nutrients. Nutrients are the substances that your body uses for growth, maintenance, repair, and energy. The main types of nutrients are proteins, carbohydrates, fats, water, vitamins, and minerals. Proteins can be found in foods such as meat, fish, eggs, dairy, nuts, and tofu. Carbohydrates come in two forms, simple and complex. The complex carbohydrates are the healthy ones, and the simple carbohydrates are the ones you need to avoid as much as possible. Complex carbohydrates can be found in foods such as potatoes, bread, rice, and fruits. There are 5 kinds of fats, and only 2 of these are good for your body. Saturated fats, trans fats, and cholesterol are fats which are bad for your health. These fats are linked to heart disease. Unsaturated fats are liquid at room temperature and are healthier than the saturated and trans fats. Omega-3 is a fatty acid which allows for proper brain functioning and is commonly found in fish. Water is also essential to our bodies. It transports nutrients and removes waste. Most of our bodies are comprised out of water. Vitamins and minerals are the last type of nutrient and are found in most healthy foods. Vitamins and minerals are essential for life and growth. According to the law, each packaged food item should have nutrition information listed on the package. These nutrition charts will show you the contents of the food and help you decide whether it will be a healthy choice for you or not. Most packaged foods will be less healthy than fresh foods, so when possible, always opt to buy fresh foods instead of packaged foods. In order to keep a healthy diet, it is essential to check the nutrition charts in order to see the contents of the foods you're eating. It is very important to eat from basic food groups in order to keep a balanced diet. The basic food groups include fruits, vegetables, grains, meats and beans, milk and dairy products, and oils. You should eat about 2 pieces of fruit per day, around 2 cups of vegetables, no more than 3 cups of grains, preferably whole grains, 6 or less ounces of meats and beans, 2 to 3 cups of dairy and milk products, and 2 to 6 teaspoons of oil per day. It is important to our health to eat a balanced and healthy diet. An unhealthy diet can cause all kinds of health problems such as heart disease, high blood pressure, diabetes, and others. The U.S. Department of Health puts out the dietary guidelines for Americans every few years, and some of the points included are getting adequate nutrients by eating a variety of healthy foods from all food groups, engaging in regular physical activity, and limiting fats, sodium, and consumption of foods and beverages with lots of sugar.
There are 6 steps to change your eating habits. The first one is to find out what you're really eating. The second step is to analyze the foods you eat and decide what changes are necessary. The third step is to evaluate your meal patterns. The fourth is to evaluate your snacks. The fifth step is to limit the number of restaurant meals you eat. And the sixth and final step is to consider your weight. Are you a healthy weight? Only 1/3 of American adults are a healthy weight. Almost 2/3 are overweight or obese, and fewer than 2% of those are underweight. If you want to know if you're overweight or underweight, a good way to check is by measuring your body mass index. And to measure your body mass index, you just need to take your weight and divide it by your height. Counting calories may be a scary thing, but it's easier to understand when you understand what a calorie is. A calorie is the amount of heat needed to raise the temperature of 1 kilogram of water 1 degree centigrade. The number of calories you need each day just to maintain your present weight varies according to your sex, age, and activity level. If you want to lose weight, you will have to consume fewer calories and increase your level of activity. If you want to gain weight, you will have to consume more calories. Losing weight means changing the lifestyle with 2 goals in mind. 1. Cut down the number of calories you eat each day, and 2. Increase your activity level to burn more calories. For most people, these changes result in gradual weight loss. If you are underweight and need to gain weight, you must increase your intake of calories. You can do this by eating larger portions or by adding some fat-rich foods to your diet. It's not recommended to cut your level of exercise unless it's extremely high. We hope you all understand more about maintaining a healthy lifestyle with your diet and what you choose to eat. Now we have some questions. Do you think you have a healthy diet for your lifestyle? And what changes, if any, could you make to improve your current diet? Thank you for watching.